And last night, we did our 50 RPM spin where we spun the blades very slowly and carefully and exercised the servos to control the angle of the blades. And that was very successful. And we have here a quick video that the Mastcam Z took of the helicopter spinning in the distance. So from there, the rover was about 40 meters away. And so we're able to look at the telemetry in very good detail and verify that the blades moved and the blades spun as expected, and it looks very good.